There are many different types of captchas that you can use in Jotform, and one of the types of captchas that you can add in your form is a drawing captcha. So if you want to add that in, you can click on add element, and then under widgets you can go ahead and type in, let's say for example, drawing, and then you can see drawing captcha right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and say draw to verify right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto widget setting, you don't really have much things right here, but you can go ahead and increase out the contrast so it seems more clearly. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, let's see how users can actually verify. So you can actually see this, the drawing captcha. So they do have to go ahead and draw right here just like this, and it says please try again. So they need to go ahead right here and be very careful. So this is good for, let's say for example, tablets. They can go ahead and draw out right here, and it says captcha passed. So you can see that from the dot you need to go ahead and draw right here on top of it for the captcha. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize drawing captcha widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.